Welcome to Rome Tech. If you enjoy this kind of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. The online pharmacy I use is Pharmacy2U. They dispense NHS and private prescriptions. You can order repeat medications conveniently through their website or app. It's a straightforward process that saves you trips to the chemist. They offer free delivery, which is a significant benefit, especially for those with mobility issues or busy schedules. Pharmacy2U also provides a range of health-related services and information. They even have a helpful online symptom checker. It's worth exploring their site to see all the resources they make available. I found them to be incredibly reliable and efficient, and using their service has genuinely simplified managing my medications. Having your prescriptions delivered right to your doorstep is a game changer. It eliminates the need to remember to pick up your medication, and you can easily track your order status online. They offer a comprehensive service that goes beyond simply filling prescriptions. You can find advice on various health conditions, and they have a team of pharmacists available to answer any questions you might have. This personalized touch adds a layer of reassurance, particularly if you're dealing with complex medication regimens. Overall, my experience with Pharmacy2U has been exceptionally positive. Their user-friendly platform, free delivery, and added health resources make them a valuable asset for managing your healthcare needs. I highly recommend checking them out. They've truly streamlined the prescription process, making it easier and more convenient than ever before. They even send reminders when your medication is due for renewal, further simplifying the process and ensuring you never run out. Consider giving Pharmacy2U a try. You might be surprised at how much easier it makes managing your prescriptions. From my perspective, it's a genuinely beneficial service that I now rely on consistently. They offer a comprehensive and convenient solution for all your prescription needs, backed by a team of professionals ready to assist. They've truly revolutionized how I handle my medications, eliminating the hassle and providing peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient online pharmacy, definitely consider Pharmacy2U.